This is the Westclox Big Ben 1964 Reproduction Loud Bell Quartz Alarm Clock, Gold Tone and Almond. This Westclox Big Ben is a replica of one of the most popular alarm clocks in America between 1964 and 1981, the good old Big Ben. As you can see, the clock has a beautiful gold tone metal bezel, a gold tone metal base. Under the base has felt so it won't scratch your furniture up. It also has metal luminous hands so you can see the time day or night. Has nice large easy to read numbers and a heavy duty composite plastic casing. This clock will make a great addition to your night table. It's 100% battery operated, so you don't need to search for an electric plug. And wait till you hear this alarm, how loud it is. This will wake up even the most deepest of sleepers.